Guys, I love you all. Ino mo na. Tayo rin.
Alam mo.
Sige pa. Kabuhay ka. Rock one. Check.
Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa mga platforms ng TV at nandito tayo ngayon sa press room sama si Coach Leo Ostea at ang ating Finals MVP, Jericho Cruz. Congratulations sa inyo. Coach Leo, 10 championship as coach of San Miguel Firmen. Nasa isip mo ngayon, yung pakiramdam mo?
Napakahirap isipin na nakuha ko itong 10 championship ko na I thought na hindi na mapunta sa akin for the reason na there's a lot of team really working hard and then leveling up, getting their team really strong, but we are fortunate and we're able to get this 10 championship. Actually, this is our 7th championship in the All Filipino without a loss. But of course, this championship will not happen if not for the players. Katulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, I will not become a good coach if the players will not work hard to win a championship. And utang ko sa kanila ito. But in the past few conferences, so we're struggling, especially the last conference. We're not able to make it to the playoffs. And I think that situation give us a lot of interest to play really hard this conference because this is a all Filipino conference, and I'm happy for this those players talagang nag-step up and they realizes na this is our conference, and of course with the support of management, especially Boss Ramonang, and then before the semifinals he talked to me, Coach, we want to win a championship, and I said I will do my best, boss, but expect these players really want to win, and that's what happened. And also Coach Al Francis Chua was really very supportive dito sa series namin, and from game 1 up to game 6 he is with us and then giving his words of wisdom. And of course maraming nanonood sa atin dito sa Quezon, mga kababayan ko, at dito sa Manila, mga kaibigan natin, especially ngayon nanonood sila dito sa 8 Flavors of Bacolod na matatagpuan dito sa Kamuning. Kumusta kayo dyan? Sana nabusog kayo dyan sa pagkain nyo. Siyempre, ang family ko na laging very supportive, na lahat binibigay sa akin just for me to think clearly about my game preparation. And of course, this player of mine from Adamson really working hard. And then congratulations for winning the finals MVP.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ka.
Mabuhay ka. Welcome back.
Okay, and then of course, not only him, all the players, especially Junmar. Junmar is not playing 100%, but because of our PTs and then mga trainer, so he was able to perform well. And then not only these two guys, all the players. Ang sabi ko nga before, our strength is not on Junmar. Okay, it is the strength of the team, especially the second group. He's coming from the second group, and what happened? Okay, he's the finals MVP. That's why I keep on telling them na every player has the role, and then I was able to define them before the start of this conference, and we have an ample time to figure out what is really needed in this conference. And of course, pasasalamatan ko ulit the confidence na binigay sa akin ni Boss RSA. Boss, maraming salamat. Utang ko lahat sa inyo ito.
Jericho Cruz, last season, natalo ko sa Meralco sa Filipino, sakit yun. Then, Commissioner's Cup, di kayo nag-playoffs. Itong championship na to, obviously, mas masarap yung pakiramdam dahil dun sa mga pinagkaanan nyo.
Yes, totoo. Kasi ang nangyari sa amin, hindi kami nakapag-play off kagad nung the last conference ba yun. So, ayun, bumalik na si Coach. Actually, di nga kami nakapagpahinga eh. Kasi si Coach, kahit sabi mo may baha, kailangan mo na sa practice kayo. Pero ayun, worth it naman. Tingnan mo, saan naman kami ngayon. Kaya na-appreciate namin kay Coach yun. Simula pa lang ng off-season namin, talagang nakatutok siya sa amin. From day one talaga. Kaya, ayun, nagbunga yung mga pinapagawa ni Coach sa amin. Pero at the end of the day, kami mga player, sumusunod na naman kami sa mga pinapagawa ng mga coaching staff eh. Pero yung championship na to, sobrang sarap. Kasi kakabalik lang ni Coach Leo ulit. At the same time, nalo din ako ng award na which is bonus lang naman. Pero di ba, sobrang di ko maisip, hindi ko mapinta kung anong mga words na dapat kong sasabihin ngayon. Pero gusto ko lang din mag-thank you kay Boss Arisay. Tsaka kay Boss Al. Siyempre dahil kinuha nila ako sa NLEX, gumanda yung buhay ko dahil napunta ako sa San Miguel. And at the same time, yung mga coaching staff, si Coach Leo, actually kagabi nga nag-text nga ako kay Coach eh. Basta sa amin na lang yun. Basta Coach, sabi ko ready lang ako. And pag kailangan mo, andito lang ako, sabi ko kay Coach. Talagang inano ko talaga siya eh. Ayun, nagbunga naman yung uling nga.
Sinunod ko naman eh.
Pero ayun, gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa mga coaching staff, especially kay Coach Leo, sa tiwala na binibigay sa akin every game, itong series na to. And sa mga coaching staff, sila Coach George, sila Coach B-Boy, sila Coach Pete, sila Coach Ato na kahit nandyan sila palagi, kahit natatalo kami, nandyan sila palagi na nagre-remind sa amin mga players. So, ayun, yun ang gusto kong pasalamatan na. Tsaka si Boss Al pala, yung ginagawa sa akin ni Boss Al iba eh, kasi minomotivate niya ako every time na nakikita kami na laruin mo lang yung laro mo, hayaan mo na yung mga haters mo dyan kasi it's just basketball lang naman eh, hindi ka naman nananakit or hindi naman eh. Kumbaga emotional lang ang tao ko eh. So doon ko nakukuha yung energy ko sa pag celebrate, doon ko nakukuha yung power ko eh, yung lakas ng loob, ganun. So ayun, I'm just very happy na nag-champion kami ngayon, makapagpahinga ng konti. And siguro waiting na lang kami sa kay coach kung kailan kami babalik ulit. Pero yun nga pala, may FIBA pa pala ako. Hindi coach, may FIBA pala ako, sorry. Hindi pa tayo magkita. Ayun pero sa press corps, maraming salamat sa inyo na ako yung napili nyo na mag-MVP. I love you all. Yun lang, I love you all. At may inuman tayo. Yun lang.
Coach, yung pagbabalik mo, inakala mo ba na ganun kabilis yung turnaround ng San Miguel?
Yeah, hindi ko nga akalain na makakabalik agad ako. Although, before I reinstated as a head coach, ibinalik na ako sa team and just to overlook what's really happening. And then, I'm so fortunate at those time na hindi ako involved sa team because during that time is World Cup season na ginawa dito. And I was able to watch most of the game. Every day, nasa MOA ko, Araneta, to figure out what's really happening in basketball internationally. And I pick up a lot of things. And that's the reason why I think if you notice, our defense is different from the past. And from there, so ni-apply ko sa team namin. And then I keep on watching the game, the semifinals, and then the tendency of the players, the coach, and then it helps a lot. And that's why itong mga players, pagbalik ko as a head coach, so nanibago sila from day one, talagang we've gone into basic from 1-on-1 to 5-on-5, both on offense and defense. And I was able to define the roles of each and every one. And then if you notice, there's no point guard na magkakasabay sa loob And then wingman, almost the same position sila dahil actually some of the players hindi ko na nagamit because crowded yun But because of defining the roles, alam nila as long as the team is winning, so there's no problem with them. But there's a opportunity for them to play and ibinibigay nila yung quality minutes eh. And that's one thing that's why we're here in the championship and winning this All Filipino Championship.
Jericho, nung natalo kayo sa Game 1, kasi nababanggit ni Coach na parang yun din yung nag-fuel din nung para sa inyo. Pwede mo mong elaborate kung ano ba yung paano nyo ginamit yun as motivation yung natalo nyo sa Game 1?
O yun nga, siyempre, kumbaga, andun na kami. Kumbaga, pero okay lang din na natalo kami. Kasi talagang, yun yung talaga yung nag-fuel sa amin. Kumbaga, yun yung naging gas sa amin. So, lahat kami, nag-uusap kami na talagang we have to play like it's our last game. Every game. Kaya pagpasok namin buhos lahat, from point guard to big man, kila Junmar. Tsaka yung pinaka-vocal sa amin talaga si Captain Bon namin, si Chris Ross. Talagang kahit alas 3 na, alas 2, nag-message pa rin sa amin yan na talagang we have to play like it's our last game. Kasi gusto niya rin mag-champion eh. Diba? Kami rin gusto rin mag-champion. Lahat kami na down nun, pero good thing na we have a group chat na. Tapos siya nagsisimula doon na we can do it, we can bounce back. Sabi niya, I've been here before, we've been here before. And ayun kami, syempre sumusunod din kami sa Captain Ball namin kasi yun nga, he's been here before. How many championship that he has, diba? So, ayun, naging motivation talaga namin yun. And at the same time, stick to the role pa rin kami kung anong ginagawa namin sa practice. Yeah.
Coach, gano'ng kaiba tong team na to sa mga dati?
Yeah, it's a lot of hard work for this team because they are new to my system and I'm happy for them and binili nila yung sistema ko. And some of the players naman, alam nila katulad nila Chris Ross, and then yung sina Junmar, sina Marcel Aster, and then of course, itong tatlong Adamson players, alam nila kung paano ako mag-coach. And then always gone into basic ako especially at the start pa ng season. And it's not that easy because katulad sinabi ko kanina, most of the teams is talagang when it comes to talent, medyo superior pa nga sila It happens na yung ibang team may mga injuries but that's part of the game Ganyan, and then this team talagang nagsumikat sila dahil nabuo sila as a team, not as an individual. Unlike sa team na equally talented with us na different philosophy ang pinaandar nila. But every coach naman have different philosophy. It happens na may philosophy sa nag-pitch sa mga player. I'm the kind of coach na I don't want the players to adjust to my to my philosophy. I should be the one to adjust their philosophy, their talent, kung paano ko sila gagamitin. And nakikita mo naman medyo maluwag tayo na medyo stricto when it comes to rules. But I'm so happy dahil lahat naman sila ginawa yung game plan namin especially on defense, and that's the key. The defense namin is really different from the past.
Coach, Coach, congrats on first of all. Question lang for you and Jericho. We just talk about yung performance of Junmar Fajardo nung finals na ito. I think 1 minutes lang siya, 1 or 2 minutes lang siya. So, what can you say about Junmar's performance?
Yeah, regarding Junmar Fajardo performance, at the start of the semifinals, we're so happy with him, but unfortunately we lost because Junmar, alam natin nagkaroon siya ng calf injury, and from there his game is not 100%. But we were thankful to the PT's trainer because nalagaan siya And then if you notice, until now, this game manage yung oras niya. And then kanina nga na-stretch ng konti, asumin niya siya na kailangan niyang magpasab. And then fortunately, lumalam kami. That's why we have the luxury of time for him to get rest. But when our lead cutting down by our opponent, and then tumingin siya sa akin, it's time for him to get back. But I hope na this break makarecuperate siya sa kanyang dahil alam natin na kailangan sila ng national team natin. And I believe na on the 29 or 30th of this of the month aalis sila So good luck sa kanya, and I hope na na talagang makarecover siya dahil he will be a good help to the national team.
Jericho, just performance ng June Mark ng series ito.
Actually, sinabi na ni Coach lahat eh. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, Junmar is the GOAT. Yun lang masasabi ko. Talagang, he is a different animal. Yun lang masasabi, the GOAT.
Thank you.
Junmar, Junmar, Jericho. Wala akong
16.
Wala mic. Jericho, speak of national team, to performance mo, ang laking momentum going to Viva Asia, play against the top Asian teams. Yun.
Siguro, bukas ko na o the next day ko nang pag-isipan yan. Siyempre, medyo kan din eh. Since game 1, di ko lang sinasabi din, pero may iniinda din ako sa tuhod ko. So, everyday, kung nagsashot si Junmar, nagsashot din ako sa mga painkillers. So, pag-isipan ko muna the next 2 days na kung papahinga muna ako or tutuloy ako. Yun lang naman.
Kasi yun, hindi naman siyempre champion nyo lang, pero yung next conference season, Philippine Cup agad. So, kailangan nyo agad i-defend yung championship. So, ano lang yung outlook mo doon? So, obviously, kaka-champion nyo lang. Ano lang yung outlook mo? Yung sa Philippine Cup na yun.
Sabi niya, bounce back agad eh. Pero, this is all Filipino conference, the best prestigious conference in the last 3 conferences. I know na all the teams, especially pagdating nitong drafting, magpapalakas yan eh. But as long as the core of the team is healthy, I think we will still be competitive because there's a lot of room for improvement eh. Actually, 13-man lineup kami since the start nitong conference nito. Pero we have another 2 slot pwede naming i-beef up dahil for the first time, I think we have a pick in the first round eh. I don't know kung number 9 kami, 11 because I know itong Talk and Text 1-2 championship and probably they are number 12 so standing, but because of our win baka malagay kami sa middle, and I know na there's a lot of good players come drafting September yata ito ganyan, so we will see but this championship will motivate more those players because they know na still they have the gas in the tank. And then if you notice if you know I think our lineup is the oldest team in the PBA.
Mababata na yan.
Yeah, if we have an opportunity, why not? But I am confident with these players and especially winning the championship, you have to reward them. And then, but it depends on them. So every day is a different situation for them because this is a competition. If you will not perform, if you will not prepare, so might be some other players will step in to get your slot. And that's my system with the team. If you're not performing, and that's what happened, okay? Those players, especially him, okay, he's from off the bench, but he gained a lot of playing time because of his performance. If he will not perform, so those players in the first group will still have a longer playing time. But as a coach, I have to see who's performing. And then with the help of the coaches, coaching staff, nakikita namin yun and that's what we're doing.
So more questions, thank you.
Thank you.
Ayun,
Very good. Yung laki.